ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹೆಸರು?
ಹಾಂ,
ಏನೋ ಕಾರ್ನುಕೋಪಿಯಾ ಏನದು? ಪೊಮೇರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ನಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಟನ
ಕಾರ್ನಕೋಪಿಯಾ CORNUCOPIAE.
ಪೊಮೇರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ನುಕೋಪಿಯಾ. That is one of the endemic grass of Western Ghats and Sri Lanka only. It's a rare grass, this one. And from the shape also you can make out it is quite different from all the other grasses. One is that hairiness is there and little bit plump structure of the leaves and all. And it has interesting spreading formation like this. It's a very attractive, beautiful grass. It has taken a compact formation because now it is drying up this tank bed. But if there is more water, it becomes quite little bit bigger. ಹೇರಿ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ಇಡೀ ಮಗ ಇದ್ರ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ಒಂದು ರಿಬ್ ಥರ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಂಬೆ ಬರೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂಥರ ಗುಂಗುರು ಕರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೇಕ್ ಬೆಡ್.